Hello everybody and welcome to my pizza cooking challenge. Today I am joined with, this is my friend from school. We have been on Zoom, FaceTime, whatever for, wait, what time is it?
23.
For like 4 hours. And so we are just going to make a pizza for you. So, to make this pizza, we need a few things. And so my special guest is gonna tell me what I need. What do I need first?
You need an apron.
Checkamunga bingo. Let's tie this apron. Okay, there we go. Okay, what next?
Next, you need an oven.
About that. So right here is the oven, and it hasn't worked for probably like a long time. So we have a handy dandy toaster oven, barely in the frame, right here. So we're gonna hope that works and cooks everything evenly. Fingers crossed. What next?
So now you need a pan.
Well, I think I'm gonna use this pan.
Okay, next we need cooking spray.
Oh yeah, obviously. We don't want it to stick to it, so cooking spray. We're on a roll. That didn't work. Okay, what's next?
So main ingredient would be crackers.
Crackers. Okay. Crackers. Crackers. Oh, they're on the floor. Crackers. Okay, good thing they're in 2 layers of protection. So even though they accidentally fell to the floor, we will be okay and we will not be contracting the coronavirus from them. Next.
Next, we need marshmallows.
Okay, well we have these mini marshmallows that I think we're gonna kind of put on top. We have bigger marshmallows over here and even bigger marshmallows over there. So we should be all set on the marshmallows. What's next?
We need chocolate.
Okay, so I have this big container of a variety of chocolate. So we're gonna hope this works. We have a mix of everything. So you know, what could go wrong? We'll just put them all in and just, boom, don't even take the wrappers off. I'm just kidding, we are safe, not dumb. Anyways, with all of these ingredients, is this everything?
Yes.
Okay, so with all of these ingredients, I have come to the conclusion we are making an apple pie pizza. Is that right? Was I right?
No, we're making a s'mores pizza.
Oh, that makes a lot more sense. I was really confused about the marshmallows with an apple pie pizza, but you know. Okay, so now we have all of our ingredients, obviously. We just went through that. Okay, so we have our pan right here. And so obviously the first thing we need to do is spray it. So let's get a flat surface and let's spray it. So next we're going to take these graham crackers. So they perfectly cover the bottom, so this might be hard to get out later, but they perfectly cover the bottom. They're kind of wedged in there. Nothing's broken. So now we're going to kind of go along the sides and hope it'll stay up. Okay, so we have the bottom and we have the thingy. So I think next we're gonna go chocolate. This looks perfect. I would show you, but I have my nice little, oh, you can kind of see it. So I have all my chocolate, and I'm hoping when it melts, it'll kind of spread out a little. Ooh, it smells really chocolatey. Okay. Oh no! My graham crackers fell. 2 of them actually. Okay, so I was actually really thinking about this, and I do think I want to do multiple layers of marshmallows, so the chocolate will melt indeed. So I'm going to do my first layer. These marshmallows, which are like squared marshmallows, and we're just going to put them, we're going to put 1 for every little square there is. So I'm going to pull it out again. I'm going to kind of be pulling it out every once in a while just to add something new. So here we go. Let's go. Okay, here we go. This is my 7 chocolate s'mores pizza. It is yummy. These are the 5 chocolates I have at the bottom. Then I have chocolate chips and chocolate sprinkles. And whoo! Marshmallows are toasted and it looks so good. So I will show you what it is like when we try it. So excited. Ooh. That's good. It's good. I give this a 10 out of 10. And I'm very surprised because I had no recipe to follow and it's this good. Oh my gosh. It's like so gooey and sticky still, and it's been like sitting here for a little bit too. Oh my gosh, it's so good. 10 out of 10. If y'all want me to make it for you, I will make it for you, and I will bring it to your house. So good. Recommend.
I want a piece.